Good morning, everyone. This is our presentation of Block 3. The presentation is perlocutionary act.
Get out of the way, bitch.
No. Oh, are you cleaning? Here, clean that.
Come on.
There's more, bitch.
Kids with a little, come here, please. Please don't let me to start their lesson. And please behave. You are the president. You are the role model. What are you doing? Okay, mom. Okay. Guys, teacher Maynard said, we need to good study. Who cares? Guys, wait. Can you bring the study forward to study? Why? Why should we keep her? Vicente, come here. Oh no. I just want her to be there. I want her to fail. I don't like her. Guys, stop. She looks like a chef. No. Just look at her. You mean what is happening here? Why are you bullying her? The president, explain yourself. We're not bullying her. We're just describing her. No. Describing with a tone?
Yes.
And you, what are you doing? What is that? Why are you doing that here? Are you taking a lot of video?
Yes.
Then get out. Bring that with you. Do you even know that smoking is bad for your health? And you, Mr. President, you are the role model. What are you doing? This is your responsibility. You are elected as president, and you are showing this kind of behavior.
Bad for you, but not for us.
What do you mean bad for us? Huh? We have all smokes here. We can inhale your smoke.
You got many? That's a problem.
Get out. You want to smoke shit? So guys.
My God.
Ang B-word.
So our scene have two scenes. The first scene is we bully our classmate Valerie. We don't want her to pass our exam, and we don't want her in our group study. So we bullied her and our teacher guide us and told us that bullying is bad and it is prohibited in schools. And then the second scene is our boy classmates who are smoking, and then our one boy classmates and one tomboy classmates who are smoking, and our teacher noticed and she told them that cigarette is also bad. That's all. And perlocutionary act.